Example 6. So I'm giving you the vertex and the focus. You guys, the other one I'll give you, we'll do two more. I'm going to give you the vertex and the directrix, and then the vertex and the length of the latus rectum. Okay, so there's a couple things that you can pick out that you would know, but that you would know if it opens, if this parabola opens up, down, or if this parabola opens right or left. But let's go ahead and graph it. Just let's do a sketch. It's nothing permanent. We're just sketching it so we know. So what would we do? It's over 8, right? Down -2. So I'm just going to put it on this line. And then what's the next? So I went over to +8, down to -2. What's the next one? Over 10, down. See how it's to the right of the vertex? Do you see how I'm saying that? Here is our vertex, and then this is our focus. And notice it's to the right. That means our parabola opens to the right, because the focus is to the right of it, not above it or below it. It's to the right. So that means that our equation is going to be an x equals. So that means my focus is h plus 1/4a, comma, k. Now, we know that this, so what is h? So let's talk with that. What is h?
8.
Do I know a? But do I know what this whole thing equals? It equals 10. Again, you guys, how did I know that? You can look at your formula sheet, but in your mind, you need to know this is opening left or right. So I need to look at left or right equation. What am I going to do now? Subtract 8 from both sides. I get 1/4/8. Oh, I picked the same one. Okay. And now what am I going to do? Multiply everything by 4/a. Not multiply everything by 4/a. Multiply everything by 4a. I get 1 equals 8a. And what does a equal? Now, because this is a right or left one, it's going to be x equals, what is a? 1/8. And instead of x in here, it's going to be y. And then remember, it's our k that goes in there. So is this going to be +2 or -2? +2. And then it would be +8. Oh, and don't forget the square. Okay? Just remember when it's like when it opens left or right, the vertex actually gets switched. K goes inside the parentheses, H goes on the outside. How do you feel about that? What questions do you have? You guys, it really is going to come down to knowing which formula to use. But remember, the whole purpose is you can't write an equation without A, so we're going to be looking for A.